What's up, y'all? It's Lee Natural here, and I'm back with another hair tutorial because I'm about head still. Today's hair tutorial is going to be brought to you by XrsBeauty Hair. I love this company. I love their new clear lace, and that is what we are going to be showing off today. I love their packaging. It's really pretty. I got the 18-inch Kinky curly wig. It comes with little gifts inside. And this is the curl pattern before I do anything to it. This is how it looks, and this is how the clear lace looks. It's really pretty. It blends really well with the skin. You just can't even tell that the lace is there. So it's a really good lace. I really like the clear lace a lot. Also, they bleached the knots for me, so it also saved me a lot of time. So when you buy this wig, you won't have to do much to it. You can just throw it on your head because the knots are already bleached for you. And it doesn't come with a weird smell, so you don't have to worry about any of that. These are the different color laces that I got. I'm going to show you the differences on my hands so you can see. This one is the transparent lace, very light, something that you would definitely have to tint. Then you got the regular brown lace. It is also much lighter. You would have to tint it to your tone. And this is the clear lace. So the clear lace blends perfectly. Like, you can't even tell that it's there, especially when I lay it into my hand like this. Like, where did it go? It's a really thin lace, so I really like it, and I think y'all should try it. And this is the difference with that one and the brown lace. So you can see the difference. Don't forget, I'm always reminding you girls, you ladies, make sure you take care of your scalp underneath the wigs. Put some oil on your scalp, grease your scalp, give your scalp some hair food, do whatever you need to do to keep that hair healthy. Because what we're doing is wearing wigs to grow our hair back. Purr. It's always really good to slick your edges back just so they're not in the way. You don't got to worry about losing your edges. Slick them back. Make sure they're pulled all the way back with a nice little slick gel. I use the Gots to Be gel in the black container. I really like that one a lot. Now, y'all do know I'm not really a big fan of glue, but when I really do like a wig, I do use at least 1 or 2 layers of glue just to get a nice little melt. So I'm using the Erica J glue, the watermelon scented one, and I put a little bit on my scalp just so it could lay down. Now, sis is going to be giving you Rick James at first, but don't front, don't flip, you know, it's going to change. This is just the pattern until you break up the curls. But get into the lace. This is the lace. It's so thin. You don't have to tint it or anything. It's already just ready to go. That's what I like. I like something that's easy for me. Y'all know I have kids, so a lot of the times I'm just ready to be done doing my hair so I can get to them, do what I need to do, and go out the door, okay? So y'all know, since I'm so hesitant with glue, I just wanted to go ahead and just use my gel as an adhesive. And this was my first time trying this, so I didn't even know how it would turn out. But I went ahead and gave it a try, and I put about 3 layers a piece. I used the Gots to Be in the yellow one and the black one. So I did 2 layers of the black one, and then I did 1 layer of the yellow. And I just let it get a little bit tacky, and then I just proceeded to lay the lace into it like I would if I was using regular glue. Now remember, I said this was my first time doing this, so you do not have to follow these steps. You can do what I usually do for my other tutorials, because this will not work for you if you are not knowing exactly what you're doing. So it's a little bit tough. It won't stick all the way. You just have to know how to make it stick. So I do not recommend this for a first time beginner, the little trick I was doing, okay? Just a little heads up. I'm now separating my baby hairs because y'all know I love me some baby hairs. I don't care. I love the baby hairs, period. I love it. I'm putting out just a little bit of hair so it's not too dramatic. I didn't want it to be too extra, but I did put out enough to make sure that I lay it. This is just a little spritz I'm using to spray it down to make sure it stays in place, because like I said, I used the gel as an adhesive. So if you do this, you will get a little, you know, crusty, but of course you should know how to fix that. You know, spray it up with your little oil sprays and blend it in, and it won't look as crusty. I'm trying to blend my lace a little bit right now, adding a little bit of makeup because it was looking a little bit too light. All together later, everything gonna look good. First, you know, see it looks a little crazy right now, but it all comes together later, sis. It really does. So usually I'm really indecisive on how I want to do my hair. I never think of a style. I literally just go with the flow. So I didn't know how I wanted to do my edges. I just know I wanted baby hairs. So you're going to see me switch them up, but I did do it how I wanted to do it later in the end. Okay, so now it is time to separate these curls and fluff them out. The best thing to do to get started with this when a wig is like this, I recommend water. So wet it with water. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, but just drench it so that it is wet enough to break up all the curls. So I finger comb it a little bit first, and then I wet it with water. So while you're spritzing it with water, you want to pull on it and separate them with your fingers while you're spritzing the hair at the same time, just so it opens them up a little bit more, releases the curl pattern, and then just keep finger combing it a little bit more. Now you're going to get you a good moisturizing mousse. I love this one. I put it all over my hair. I'm going to do one side at a time. So I started on the left side, then I went to the right side. I just put a whole lot of mousse, like a lot, and keep working it through there. and I use a tangle teaser. I'll be forgetting how to say it. And brush the curls. So that's basically all I do to undo the kinky curly wigs. This type of brush or a denim brush works well to define the curls a lot more than how it comes. So this is how you would just break them up and unravel them. So that is it, girls. We are all done. We are looking cute. We have slayed our hair. Thank you so much, XrsBeauty Hair. This hair is amazing, and it is giving scalp. It is really cute. And y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments about this kinky curly wig. Y'all stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.